Alright guys, well, it's been about a week since I've washed the car. I've just been busy, haven't been able to get on it, and even though it's white and it doesn't look dirty, I guarantee you it's super dirty, very dusty, and we need to get it cleaned up. So let's go. All right, let's put some Mr. Pink on this baby. Alright guys, if you liked the video, hit that like and subscribe button and press the notifications bell so you get all the new videos we're putting out today. I need to clean my car. It's been sitting outside for a week. Oh my gosh. Yes, oh my gosh, over here it's very, very dusty. It just cakes up and piles up, and the whole thing, it doesn't look super dirty, but if you touch the car, you don't want to scratch it with all that dirt and dust. That's why I wash it so much. That's why it never looks dirty, although it is dirty, because even the little bits of dust that land on there, when you touch it, lean it, somebody walks by it, anything will scratch the car with that dust on there. So I used Willy Clean from Pro Products. I get this, I dilute it 1 to 10, I put it in a spray bottle, I spray it all over the wheels, tires, the whole thing. Scrub them down, wash them, rinse them, boom, done. Willy Clean is excellent. Went back and grabbed Mr. Pink today from Chemical Guys, a very high sudsing car wash soap. I threw that into wash buckets and foam cannon from NJJC. The foam cannon from NJJC is excellent at just really making that heavy foam. Now I have about 4 or 5 other foam cannons over there, and they all work great. This one is my favorite. It has lots of adjustabilities from the nozzle to the angle and also to the ratio of solution you want to be pulling out of the system there. So very good, Mr. Pink. We foamed it on the car, let it sit, break down all that dust, loose dirt, rinsed that away, we foamed it again, and then we hand washed it. Rinsed that off there, dried the car, and we grabbed Manett's gloss sauce. I wanted to top this off with some extra pop and get some more slickness on top of it. I can't have enough pop and slickness on the car. Now, this is a ceramic coated car. Doesn't matter if your car is ceramic coated or not. The gloss sauce from Manett's can be used on either or. It can be a standalone or a topper for your ceramic or non-ceramic vehicle. So spray this on, wipe it in all over the car, turn around, buff it off. You'll feel it slick, and as it sits there, it's just gonna start shining more, getting more glossy as time goes by. So fabulous product from Manett's gloss sauce. I know it's been a while since I've used some of Manett's products, but I just have so many that I have to rotate through, and this is always a fabulous product, guys. Once we were done with that, we grabbed another one of my favorite Manett's products, is the glass cleaner. Why? Because it cleans and protects at the same time. You'll feel this as soon as you spray it on your towel, put it on the windows and flip it and rub it off. Slickness galore, okay? And this stuff is really good. After, the longer it sits there, it's gonna become more hydrophobic. So right away, doesn't work as well. It takes like a few hours, 12 hours, 13 hours, and then boom, it's gonna really be on that window. That's the way I've learned this product. I don't use this on the interior of the car because it does have protection. You may get some type of fogging when it's cold outside. So strictly my exterior glass cleaner right there. And a bottle like this will go a long way, guys. You don't need a lot of this product, so all you need is a small bottle like this. This is probably a 16-ounce bottle here. Very good glass cleaner. And finally, we got the Detail Firm's trim and tire care right here. Very nice product for your tires. Put it on the applicator, wipe it in, walk away. You're gonna get a nice, dark, glossy look, but not overly glossy. You know, a little bit of shine on there, but not like those blue gels that you would get. This is a nice clear one, so it's, I don't know the color has to do anything with it, but just trying to differentiate those blue ones that are super glossy, which I like that look too. This is kind of an in-between a matte and a super gloss look. So Detail Firm's trim and tire care. Also, this smells like leather cleaner, so it's different than your other, I guess, wheel or your other tire shines. This one smells really good, really fresh and leathery. Great product, guys, from Detail Firm. All right, guys, well, those are the steps I use. I just wash your car, whether it's ceramic or not. These products will work on it. They will help top it. They will help keep it up. Very simple. It took me about 35 minutes, maybe 40 minutes by the time I was done. So that's what it takes for me to do it when I foam and do all that. That's why the car always looks good, guys. Do it once a week. You'll be happy. Your car will be happy. You'll feel good. Your car is going to love you. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.